Welcome to the Richlite Fabrication video series. This video installment will cover material surface options for Richlite. Richlite is delivered with a mill surface. Some applications will require an applied surface treatment for the best long-term performance, both visually and functionally. The three surface options are mill, leather, and honed. The mill surface has a slight texture that is created in the manufacturing process and acts like a light skin over the faces of the panels. No finish is applied as a surface treatment. For exterior applications, a mill surface is recommended. If sanded and placed in an exterior environment, the surface will oxidize rapidly and appear chalky and dry. No additional finish work is required to achieve the original mill surface. Mill surface applications may include industrial parts and assemblies, exterior cladding, interior wall panels, benches and seating, high wear area assemblies and furniture, interior and industrial work surfaces. To achieve a leathered appearance with Richlite, a finish such as Richlite Enhancer or Osmo Poly X may be directly applied to the mill surface for a cleaner look on interior applications. Be aware the original mill surface cannot be reproduced, therefore seaming is more critical since the seams cannot be sanded or feathered like they can with a honed finish. Leathered applications may include interior wall panels, seating, high wear area assemblies, furniture, work surfaces, countertops, high water use areas when finished with Osmo. Richlite recommends only using a Scotch-Brite technique to achieve a leathered surface. To start the process, abrade with Scotch-Brite on a random orbital sander in a 12-inch circular motion. This will mildly abrade the mill finish and remove marring and surface imperfections. Leave any scratches alone as most will disappear with finish, and aggressive machining will make a more polished spot in your final overall surface. Before applying the finish, clean the surface with soap and water. Finally, apply your desired finish. For more information on applied finishes and specific techniques, please view Richlite's Applied Finishes video. Be very careful when seaming during the leathered process, as the mill surface cannot be reproduced and poor seam alignment or any excess abrasion may result in a noticeable finish variation on your material. The honed surface is a more satin finish that is appropriate for millwork and countertop applications. It does require an applied finish to be put on after sanding to achieve proper performance. If sanded with no applied finish, the surface may start to appear chalky and will also pick up oils from fingertips, food, and beverages. While Richlite can be polished to a high finish, this is not recommended as it will show scratches and wear very quickly from use. It is not recommended for exterior applications. Honed surfaces are more appropriate for interior wall panels, seating, high wear area assemblies, furniture, work surfaces, countertops, and high water use areas when finished with Osmo Poly X. To achieve a honed surface, use a random orbital sander with 150 grit sandpaper. For the optimal finish, do not use higher or lower than 150 grit. Go over surface areas lightly and evenly. First sand the length of the sheet, then turn it 90 degrees and sand perpendicular to the initial pass. Be sure to change sanding discs often, as the density of Richlite will wear out discs quickly. Large areas may require changing discs even with just one sheet of Richlite. Follow with Scotch-Brite in a 12-inch circular motion to blend the linear sanding pattern from the first step. Clean with soap and water, then apply the finish. For more information on applied finishes and specific techniques, please view Richlite's Applied Finishes video. Because Richlite is a pressed product, the edge surface and the top surface will not have the same texture. Regardless, if you decide on a leathered or honed surface, the edge will always be more of a polished surface. In addition, the top surface will show a more mottled appearance than the edge. The mill surface has a slight texture that is created in the manufacturing process. To achieve a leathered appearance with Richlite, a finish such as Richlite Enhancer or Osmo Poly X may be directly applied to the mill surface for a cleaner look on interior applications. The honed surface is a more satin finish that does require an applied finish to be put on after sanding to achieve proper performance. Because Richlite is a pressed product, the edge surface and top surface will not have the same texture. Thank you for your time, and we hope that this video has been informative. Please feel free to contact your sales representative for more information on both fabrication and sales of Richlite paper composite surfaces.